let's go on a trip. Watch my last video. I was packing for this trip. Now it is finally time and we are going on this trip. It is so exciting and I am so happy to be able to go on a trip with my family. It's probably gonna be stressful. It's probably gonna be very crunched in time, but it's gonna be a good time. I'm so excited to show you guys. It is about noon right now. We are waiting for my parents to get home and then we'll be heading out. I'm still in the middle of packing. I'm currently letting my computer charge so I can use it on the drive. So it is actually one night, one full day and one morning that we're gonna be gone. So not that long, but it's better than nothing. So tonight we are going to be around the town, just enjoying the weather, wearing our cute outfits, acting like we're in a Hallmark movie. Then tomorrow we have a full day of shopping, just lounging around and again enjoying the town, and then coming back the next day. I will catch you guys a little bit later. So let's just enjoy this weekend, and I'm so glad that I get to take you guys along with me. The drive there, I just have on this sweater, which is from Aeropostale. I've worn it in another vlog. It's just really cute. And then for the shorts, I don't have them tied, but they're from H&M. They're really comfy, very cozy. They're like an off-white color. And then I'm probably not even gonna wear shoes. If I do, they're gonna be some like raggedy sandals, so I'm not gonna show you guys those. But yeah, so once my parents get here, I will come back and I will show you guys us on the road. The gang's all here. Let's go. We're here. We finally got dressed. This is my super cute outfit that I have been planning the whole week. So it is just a black H&M tank top, this skirt from American Eagle, and some boots from Shein, I think. Yeah, and the socks are from JCPenney's. But we're gonna go eat downstairs. We're just getting ready and I'm so excited. As you can tell, we're walking through this neighborhood that has the most beautiful houses ever. They're decorated so amazingly. And right now we're walking to a famous house that won a TV show. I don't really know. This is a bad angle. I'm trying not to show my whole family, but these houses are so beautiful. So I'm gonna keep showing you.
No. Okay, Emma, no. Stop. Emma, no. Stop it.
Okay, so this is my takeover. Can't really. tell, we're back at the hotel. My siblings went elsewhere. They're not here, but I like overplanned, as you guys already know. And I literally laid out all of my stuff. And I packed all of my clothes for tomorrow. Now I'm going to take off my makeup because I'm ready to lay down, eat some snacks, and go to bed. Let's get this makeup off. Mascara has been the worst thing to get off, and this has seemed like the only thing that actually works. Good morning. So it is Sunday. It is our first full day here. I've been up since probably like 6. I think it's about 8 now. I haven't done my makeup or anything, and my hair is still semi-curled from yesterday, but my sister and I are going to meet our parents at the diner that's in this little town. But I'm kind of really proud of my outfit, so let me show you. It is a black tank top from Fashion Nova. I have black leggings from Target, regular white socks, and Nike Air Maxes, and then I have this little blue flannel from American Eagle. And yeah, so I think we're gonna go to that diner. After the diner, we're gonna go Starbucks, and after that, wherever the day takes us, we will go. So just look at this view, please. You can now see it better in the daytime. Just tell me this doesn't give you Gilmore Girls, small town, everybody knows everybody vibes. I'm obsessed. Like, the diner is just down there. Wow. Look at how beautiful. I'm not sure what's going on, but I think it's like a produce market or something, or I don't know, but this is so cool. Got done eating, and I am loving this. The few times that we've been here, we've never seen this, but this whole main street is filled with different tents and different vendors. Like, I've already seen floral tent, I've seen, right now we're under produce. There's also one with earrings, candles, clothes. There's so many different things. This place is so cool. There's so many different vendors, like I was telling you guys, and they're all small businesses, so I don't have any money on me right now, but I hope before they close today I'm gonna come back down here, just take a look around. There's some places that have jewelry, some have candles, wide variety. There's even bread here, people are just selling bread, people are just selling wings. My dad is over there buying pickles. Yeah, we're just gonna keep walking around the town, but I just wanted to update you guys because yeah. Hey squirrel, how are you? We made our way to Starbucks. I'm gonna get some kind of holiday drink. humidity took over my hair and I had to end up putting it up. But my sister and I just got some Starbucks. Gave her the wrong drink, so they had to make another one of hers. So now we have 3 coffees in total. I also got a cake pop, which I'm going to eat at some point. But we're taking a break from walking around and we're just looking at this fountain right here. It is so calming. I don't know how many times I'm gonna say it, but I love it here. I'm never leaving. I'm never going home. There's people riding bikes. I'm looking at a bank. Behind me is the post office. We're just gonna keep walking around. There's so much for us to look at. Enjoy us hanging out. We have seen the most beautiful thing ever. Being in a small town that doesn't get fall, we have been witnessing the leaves falling off the trees, and it's so beautiful. I'm taking lots of TikToks, so if you don't follow me on TikTok, definitely follow me there. But yeah, we're gonna meet up with my mom. We've been people watching, and we're trying to like imagine what they're doing as the main character of their own story. And we see this girl in a really cute outfit, and we're like, okay, she's gonna go to Starbucks, and then she's gonna do her homework at Starbucks, and then she's gonna go to the library, and I think that's what she did. It's so fun. We love it here. So in the meantime, I have taken a nap, so I didn't end up getting to go back to where all those little tents are, so that's kind of sad. But I took a nap, I really needed it, and now my family and I are gonna go shopping. I'm so excited. This mall that we're going to is humongous. It has the best food. I'm really proud of my outfit. It is a top from Apricot Lane. These shorts are from Shein, and then just Air Force Ones, and this bag from Tajin. I curled these pieces of my hair and they're like super tight, so I wish they weren't as tight. But yeah, I also did my makeup. Yeah, I'm so excited. You guys should count how many times I say that I'm so excited, because this place is beautiful. There's so much to do. Back in our hotel, we did lots of shopping. Now we're gonna change, relax for about an hour, and then we're gonna go eat dinner. But yeah, I will come back whenever I get done enjoying the ambiance and eating some snacks and changing into the third outfit of the day. Tonight's last outfit is finished. I have this sweater from American Eagle, these jeans from H&M, these boots which were a gift. My hair is just up in a ponytail, and that's all we're doing. we did a lot in a day and a half. I'm about to shower, take off my makeup, get into some pajamas, do face masks with my sisters, and yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I hope you enjoyed this weekend. I can't wait to be back home and just get ready for Christmas. So I, again, hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and comment and check out the rest of my videos because I think they're pretty cool, and you might as well subscribe because it's a fun time here. And okay, bye!